Alright, this is the next question from Q19, the first lot. You can pause the video and give it a try, and then you may resume for the solution. Alright, a quadrilateral ABCD is inscribed in a circle such that AB is to CD is 2 is to 1 and BC is to AD is 5 is to 4. If AC and BD intersect at the point E, as shown here, this is your point E, then AE is to CE equals. I would say this was the simplest, okay, if not one of the simplest questions of this particular slot. Yes, indeed, one of the simplest ones. And very simple approach. Let's see how we deal with this. Now, this we have already discussed in our course. That is, when you look at triangle AED and the triangle BEC, the two triangles are similar by the AA test. Due to the inscribed angle theorem, angles DAE and EBC are equal and AED and BEC are vertically opposite. So we can very fairly say that these two triangles are similar triangles. So I'll write it here. We know that triangle AED is similar to triangle BEC. Now, we can also write the ratio of the corresponding sides. Whenever triangles are similar, we know that the ratio of the corresponding sides is same. So, we can write AE divided by BE will be equal to AD divided by BC. But the question gives us the value of AD is to BC, right? We have been given the data. BC is to AD is 5 is to 4. So technically AD is to BC will become 4 is to 5 or 4 by 5. Let's call this as equation 1. Now similarly, we can say that triangle AEB will be similar to triangle CED. Same justification. So triangle AEB will be similar to triangle DEC. And once again, we can write the ratio of these corresponding sides. We will say AB upon DC is equal to EE divided by CE. Now, the question gives us the value of AB is to CD, and that is 2 is to 1. So BE upon CE is also 2 is to 1. Let's call this as equation 2. Now the next step is very simple, guys. Observe that we have AE upon BE as 4 by 5 and we have BE by CE as 2 by 1. We simply need to multiply these two equations to get our answer. The next step, if we multiply these two equations, we will have AE upon BE into BE upon CE is equal to 4 by 5 into 2 by 1. That makes it 4 2s are 8 upon 5 1s are 5, 8 upon 5, or the required ratio AE is to CE is nothing but 8 is to 5. This is very clearly your option C. Right? Pretty straightforward question. You just need to consider two similar triangles, write the ratio of the corresponding sides and multiply. The answer to our question AE is to CE will be 8 by 5 or 8 is to 5.